guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time watching, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and make sure you turn on those notifications so you can be notified every time I make a new video. In today's video, I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. Let's go ahead and get started. So I haven't even opened it yet. Always struggle so hard to open these boxes because I never have scissors around. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut it open. So here we go. First thing I see, I already see a brush set. So the theme for this set is La Vie en Rose, so the rose life. So the first thing I did get is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow. This is a two-piece powder and soft glow kit, the ultimate dynamic duo. These two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. Elegant rose gold tapered handles with two-tone synthetic brush hair makes this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. This retails for $29.99, hashtag Moda Rose. I'm gonna go ahead and just open them up. So they look like this. They are actually really beautiful. They're actually kind of similar to the Jeffree Star brushes in color. So beautiful, super soft. They are synthetic bristles, so I would expect nothing less. The next thing I got is the Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drowned out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clear, brighter complexion. This retails for $34. I'm actually really excited about this because I actually really love peel-off masks, just because, you know, you put it on and then you just peel it off and it's quick and easy. You don't have to run to the sink to like wash it off. I'm really excited because it is a brightening mask, and because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation from my acne scars, this is actually pretty dope, and I'm actually really excited to try this. I feel like I've been getting a lot of Wander Beauty in my Boxycharms, and I actually really like them. The next thing I got is another Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Monaco. Looks like this. It's a really beautiful mauve-y tone. It's like a rose mauve. I actually really love rose mauve-y tone, so I'm really excited about this one. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. It doesn't feather. This retails for $20. The next thing in here is an Appeal liquid shadow. It's this beautiful bronze tone color. Oh, I love this applicator too. It reminds me of the Urban Decay liquid shadows. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. A highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. This liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving it the sparkle that looks almost unachievable. This retails for $21. And then the last product that I already knew I was gonna get because I've been watching videos and keeping up with Boxycharm is the new, or I don't know if it's new actually, but it is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette in light medium. This is gorgeous, you guys. I'm so excited about this. It has finishing powder, a brightener, two highlighters, a contour, and a blush. So this is the perfect palette on the go, and I love that it has a mirror. This is 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. This talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. This retails for $45. So I'm really excited about using this palette just because I am personally a big fan of Cover FX. They are a vegan line and most of their products are alcohol-free, and they are also talc-free. So that is very essential because if you don't want to age and you want to stay young forever, you can't have any of those ingredients in your products. Overall, I'm really excited about this. I'm just gonna swatch a highlight shade. Okay, so it's not super intense. Like, this is not gonna give you Jeffree Star vibes, but it is gonna give you a nice soft highlight. Overall, I'm actually really happy with what I got in my Boxycharm. Like, overall, everything that I got that retails for $149.99. So it's a $150 value, which is amazing because you're definitely getting bang for your buck. Honestly, like, out of the whole box, if I'm being like honest and just like keeping it real with you guys, what sold it for me, if I wasn't already like receiving Boxycharm, what would make me want to sign up for Boxycharm is these two products. And these two products alone are $80 worth. So already this is worth it for me. Everything else is just a plus. So I'm just saying it how it is. So I'm just gonna go into the finishing powder. It does have a slight iridescence to it. I don't know if it's a glitter, but I'm gonna take the Boxycharm brush and I'm just gonna start setting my foundation and just applying that all over. I will say that I'm a big fan of Cover FX setting powders just because they are talc free and they don't change the color of your foundation. And that's nice because a lot of times some powders will oxidize your foundation or give you a white cast, and you definitely don't want that. Next, I'm just gonna take my Jeffree Star contour contouring brush, and I'm just gonna go into the contour shade, tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna start applying that. This is very pigmented, so I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm just gonna go into the blush now. Ooh, this is really pigmented, and I'm just gonna apply that gently because it is super pigmented. So this formulation of these products are super pigmented, so I recommend just being light-handed. I love pigment, don't get me wrong, but with blush I'm always scared because I don't like a lot of blush personally. And lastly, I'm just gonna take one of the highlighters with this fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into the pink highlight. So this brush to me is really floppy. I don't know if I like it, but let's see how it applies. Maybe, oh. Never mind, I actually really like this brush. I keep saying floppy, loose, I don't know what to call it. It's just very like, it just moves so easily, and I don't know if I like that. I like, you know, I'm used to like a denser highlighting brush, but it's supposed to be like very, like a loose glow. That sounds so weird. That sounds gross. But it's just supposed to be like an all over glow. Like it's not supposed to be very precise. It's just supposed to give your face like a glow without like it being precise. Unlike other highlighting brushes, like the Jeffree Star highlighting brush is more precise, so I could get a better precise application. So if I were to go into like the brightener, I would go in with the Jeffree Star brush, tap off excess, and just pop it on very selectively on the top of my cheekbones. And then I could take this Moda brush and just blend it out because it just disperses the product. And looking at my face, it actually dispenses a lot of product, a lot more than I thought it would. So I actually really like the brush. I'm shook. Like, look at that. That is just beautiful. It just looks so natural. I am gonna try the liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco. So this is just Ofra Cosmetics. Overall, the color products in this box are definitely worth it. I actually really like the way this liquid lipstick feels. I didn't have to use lip liner to apply it. I'm honestly shook. So that basically concludes today's video. I know I didn't get into all the products, but I focused on the main ones, which was these guys and the brushes. So that completes today's video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, DGAFpanda out.